Welcome back, guys. So it's going to be a really short video because somebody that needs this apartment just asked me to confirm it and send it. It's going to be like a heavy file, so I'm just going to get it together and post it on my channel. Then she will come there and take a look at it and see what I'm talking about. So if you are new here, welcome, and if you're interested in something like this, stay tuned. I'm going to tell you guys how much it is, how much it costs. It's actually a 2-bedroom flat in a very conducive environment, interlocked compound, running water system, 24-hour security, CCTV cameras. So come with me, let me take you on this one. Second one also is downstairs.
You can come.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Hello?
This one got lights. Oh wow, this is the kitchen. I think this space is the same. It's the same space.
Yes, yes, when you get there, you tell them the security.
Okay, this is the living room. They got the same numbers of windows. The big window here, another one, and another window here. So they're going to repaint it. So once you come out from the kitchen, the next place is the living room. Faustina? Okay. Is this a store? This place. Okay.
Mini storeroom, yes.
Okay. So this is the store where you have your things, so that, like your food items, food stuff.
Yeah.
It's nice.
We're doing the painting work today.
Oh, okay. So you guys are going to repaint.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. It has this window here like this, and then I like this one more than the other one. Yeah, this one is finer.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is one of the rooms. This one is finer than the other one. Okay, you got 2 windows, one of the windows here and this window here, and it has this bathroom. Okay. Anything that is broken here, you guys will fix it, eh? Sure, right? Okay. Okay, this is the master. I like this one. This is
washroom.
Yeah, okay. This is the washroom. Okay. Yeah, right. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so this is how this one looks. Your boss already told me that the place is nice.
Yeah, very nice. After painting everything, you will have.
Yeah. Oh.
And you know
Maybe I could be doing agent from the entrance. This is what the outside looks like. Okay, so when you go this way, this is the step leading to the top floors, and then this is another occupant here. So this one goes this way like this. Coming in from the entrance, this is what you are seeing, like so. The first thing I like to do is show people the kitchen in the house, because for me, the kitchen is the heart of the home. So this is how the kitchen looks like. The kitchen has that space anyways. And how it is. It has the lights. Okay, because nobody is in here, there's no lights right now. It has this light that is really, really bright, and it has this window here. So, this is place. This is a living room, eh? It's a parlor.
Yeah.
So this is the parlor, and it looks like this. It has this window here. It has this window here. It has another window here. And it has another window here. And then it has this big window. Don't worry, stay. Don't worry, stay. It's your food. You're not sure. This is what it looks like from in here. And it has this two beautiful lights. So your fan stand and another light. And the tiles looks like this. So it has a socket here, it has another one. They are going to repaint it. Okay, they are going to paint it to brand new color. Small storage here. And then this way, like this, we move. It has another, this window here, like so. Okay, to give you a proper understanding. When you come out from the living room, you see this, and then you go like this. It has a room here. The place is dark, there is no electricity in here right now. So it has this room, and the room got two windows. It has a bathroom that looks like this. Over there is a mirror area and the sink. So the room looks like this. It has another window here, and it has this window here. Let's go to the room number 2. Room number 2. Okay, this is the window. This is another room here. You go into it. And this one is the master bedroom. One of the windows here and another window here. And then the bathroom. The bathroom is really big. Oh wow, the bathroom is spacious. Oh. This is where you hang your towel. Then the outside window. The good thing about here is everything is sunk in. So they're going to do the repainting of it. It has the lights, it has the fan, and that's this. So, yeah, that is how, coming out from the room, this is what it looks like. So, this is what. All right, sister, bye bye.